Can I take a picture then?
Can you take it up on the top of the rock there?
Sure, absolutely. I'll send you a copy of it. We'll get a shot of you here, right here, real quick. What's that?
Instagram?
Yep. It's all there. Instagram, YouTube, and everything. But I definitely want to get a shot of you, so don't leave here. Awesome. Okay, we'll go down to 250, so I get some depth of field here. All right, overexposed by 1. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna get up close on you here, man. All right, here we go. Cheese it. Awesome. Got a good puff of blow with your hair popping up. Perfect. Awesome, dude. You got a good look going there. Where'd our man go? There we go. Can I get a quick picture of you, man? Is that all right? Awesome. Here we go, man. Right here, right here. Awesome. Good look, good look. I gave you a card, didn't I? Did I not? Oh, I wish I had color film in here. This would be awesome. We'll waste the last of the roll here on our man. There we go. Yeah, this is what we need. Right on, brother. Go ahead. I'm gonna take 2 or 3 shots of you, so. Right on. Just do that again here, and I'm gonna get good close. Good to do the salute again. I'm gonna get close up here. Awesome, awesome. Okay, let's do one more. I'm gonna get down low. Oh man, you got a good pose going there, brother. That's awesome. Awesome.
Well, I won't say a model. I just say
you know what you're doing.
Special. She just won't stop talking.
Yeah. Well, that's better than somebody that doesn't talk at all.
Come on, sense.
Hurry up, we got about 10 seconds.
Hurry up. Now we got about 30.
Make sure I got. Okay, here we go, guys. We're gonna take a couple of them here. I have 30 shots on here. I got about 3 more to go, so we're gonna get them all right here. Oh yeah. Okay, one more.
Okay.
Oh, that's last on a roll.
Okay.
Right on. This is a film camera, man.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
right on, brother.
So-
Right on.
You have
My Instagram. Is that, can you send that to my Instagram?
Okay. I gave you a card, right?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, you send me like a text or an email, and I'll send you the shots, and you can post them, do whatever you want with them. We'll have about 4 or 5 shots, or 5 or 6 shots of you here. So
I appreciate it.
awesome.
I was saying,
Hey guys, how we doing? And today we're working with our Pentax K1000, our Chinar 28mm f2.8 lens, prime lens. I love a 28mm. That's the equivalent to an 18mm APS-C. And we're going to do zone focusing today. So I'm at 500th of a second. I'm at f8. And if you look at your lens and you go f8 to f8, that means everything from 5 feet, which is the green, everything from 5 feet to infinity should be in focus for me if I just snap the shot. So, whoops, excuse me. So technically that should work that way. Excuse me. Can I take a picture of you? I'm using an old film camera here.
Sure.
That's awesome. Thank you so much. I need you here. There we go. Just like that. And here we go. Perfect. Would you like a free copy of it?
Sure.
If you do, just send me an email. If you don't, that's fine.
Okay, no worries.
I know it's kind of weird, but thank you so much. Okay, guys, that's just how you do it right there. Let me zip my coat up here a little bit so it's not flipping around. And there we have it. Okay, now we should be good to go. So, as I said, anything from 5 feet to, let me get back to focusing back to 5 feet. So I want to focus here. Let's see if I focus on the wall. Yep, then that should put me, like I said, if we are at f8, then the 8 there and the 8 there is the green is the feet, so that's 5 feet to, that's the infinity sign. So I should just be able to take a picture, just be walking and take a picture like this, and it should come out. So we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna take a picture of this lady just holding it like this, shooting from the hip, and we'll see. Oh, that's kind of cool there too, the restaurant and everything. Huh. Okay, we'll see how that comes out. That was kind of crooked. I got to make sure I am. Now, the problem with the Pentax K1000 is the entire time that your lens cap is off, your battery is in use. So I tend to put the lens cap back on. Okay, so we got a guy on a bike. Let's see if I can help. Not coming this way. Okay, we got these two ladies here, so let's see if we can just get their shot. I'm gonna wait till they're about 10 feet away from me or so, right about here.
And I don't know what.
There we go. She may have been looking, may have not. Okay, so we're at the tail end of lunch hour. Nonetheless, I'm excited to shoot this roll and get home and get it developed with my HC110. Here we go. I'm gonna get this lady right here. Of course, you can't be discreet about this because it's very loud. Very, very loud. Okay, across here. I'll get this lady here. These guys here. How you doing?
Good question.
No, sorry, hon. Good luck, though. Good luck. Well, I'm sure I'll take a picture of you.
No. Oh, look a mess. You gotta.
Oh, you asked for the picture. Now you know what? Actually, if you stand right here. Perfect, perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to go down to 5.6 or 4. Ah, here we go. This girl, there we go. That's what I'm looking for. Here we go. Awesome.
Can I see it?
Yeah, well, no, it's a film camera.
Does it go onto your
So
phone?
you have to wait for me to send you one.
Oh, how do
So you text me or email me. What's your first name?
Cassie.
Cassie. Just text me or email me, and I'll send you a copy of it. It'll be about a week or so before it's developed and everything, but it's.
I'm not from here, so I would love to see it.
That's awesome. You'll have a good
What's your
memento.
name?
I'm Jason.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Jason.
Awesome. Thank you. Okay. So now I've got to go back to F8, back to my 10. There we go. And again, there's no chipping on these. You can't see what you got. You got to hope that you got them. There we go. Got a shot of those guys. That probably did not come out. Okay, having a good time here with our film camera. There's just something about raw film. I think I'm just going to go ahead and leave the lens cap off. I bought a pack of 10 LR44 batteries, so I'm good to go. Which way? I think we'll go this way. Hey, there we go. Okay, here we go. There we are. It's just that simple, ladies and gentlemen. Now again, you're seeing these as they come out, so hopefully they're coming out okay. I don't get to see them until I actually develop them. So that could suck. Every one of these could be blurry or not in focus. And again, there's no discreet about this. It's very loud click. Where's the way, everybody? I'll get this chick right here. Cheese! Awesome. Got her on a horse a couple times. Hey guys, mind if I take your picture? Yeah, sure. It's an old film camera. Oh, come on, man. That's what you guys look good together. Oh, you got warrants or something? All right, right on. Well, get down here. I'll give you a card and just send you a free copy of it too, man. There we go. Here we go. Hang on. I got to back up here. Hang on. Here we go.
What you got there? Film?
No, this is it's a Pentax K1000 camera. With I've got black and white Kentmere 400 in here.
Okay,
so
right on. I'm a photographer myself.
Is that right on, man? Here. So I got a YouTube channel.
Okay, right on. Right on.
Yeah, you have no problem with that, right? Being on the channel?
I'll support you.
There we go. Right on. It's a DozierGraphic. Right here's the there you go, right there. Right there, DozierGraphic. So if you text me or send me an email, I'll send you a copy of the shot.
Right on, man.
Awesome. You sure you don't want to you look good, man. All right, right on, guys. Thanks, buddy. Awesome, awesome. It's always great when you get people playing along. Okay, so I had to go down to 2.8 on that, so back to 8, back to 10. Oh, cool, guy on a bike. There we go. Awesome. Okay, so we're gonna get down here and get this shot. Hopefully don't get run over. There we go. Awesome. Okay, so F8, about 10. I'm gonna get this guy right here. He's very discreet about that. I'm gonna go get the Christmas tree here, if I can. That was a wasted shot. Wasted shot on a cloudy sky. Let's see. Okay, we got these people here, so let's go back to F8. 10 feet out. Go. Awesome. Let's get this shot in general right here. Nice. Not very many people downtown, so let's see. We're banging through this roll. Go. So anyway, guys, so the way that we're going to roll the film today, see this right here? You just put that in, hold that in. You take this and you just start turning. Just start cranking. And keep cranking, keep cranking, keep cranking. Keep cranking. Got a 36 exposure roll, so it's going to go away. All right, there we go. Oh, dang it, I went all the way in with it. I didn't want to do that. Ah, oh well.